Strangest countries in the world. It is normal that there are so many countries and places that you have not read or even considered exploring. But maybe you can consider after watching this video some of the world's strangest countries that include certain odd and unusual aspects that set them apart from the rest of the world's countries. Deserted towns or itself, there are a great many weird, unexplained locations on the earth. Earth is full of surprises, and over the years we are surprised by them. The Travel Chase today's video is about showing you the strangest countries in the world. Not to mention that several offers unrivaled views of their breathtaking landscapes. Consider a lake among Austria, Germany and Switzerland where the tide transfers jurisdiction, or the boundary between North and South Korea, whereby tensions are stronger than ever. In many of these cases, you will also go and visit these regions that define where one country finishes and another starts, making it an unforgettable ride. So stick with us until the end of this video. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Travel Chase. Also hit the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started. Number 1. North Korea. No list of the strangest nations in the world will be completed without North Korea, as it is proudly a retreating quasi-communist state, where Beijing is the only way for Westerns to enter. It is surprisingly secure one side, provided that you take the line of the government. You will be accompanied by a couple of state tutorials everywhere and will hear a somewhat doubtful account of the history of North Korea. You will always be monitored and usually only see what the government would like you to see during your stay here. Unsettling, yes, but this is a little snippet of what life is the most closely controlled nation in the world is like. North Korea visas are approved in Beijing, so you have to go to shopping for tours. 2 decades have taken Kyoto tours to North Korea, while younger travelers are the pioneer tourists. At present, the government of Australia is asking tutorials to rethink the need to travel to North Korea. As such, you should be aware of the non-travel insurance policies and circumstances. Number 2. Armenia. The land in which chess is obligatory compulsory, a subject in the school, is Armenia. Yes, that's right, has been here by you. Chess forms part and is so valued like math and history of the primary curriculum. This is a national obsession, so don't accept an easy win when the children of local school challenge a tournament. Situated on the north by Georgia and on the south by Iran and Turkey, the land is embedded in the history and culture. Yerevan, its capital, is also recognized for its ancient buildings made of a pink volcano rocks as the Pink City. Armenia has a rich history. Armenia has a rich history of chemistry, with a remarkable Ararat Mount still within the ice. Many Armenians are convinced that Noah's Ark. Number 3. Belarus. The capital of Belarus is Minsk, which had been burned 18 times in the past because of the wars. Belarus covers 267,600 kilometers, 600 square kilometers, and 40% of the area is covered by forestry. It is a state which has no borders with the sea. It is bordered by the Russian Empire, Ukraine in the northeast, Poland and Lithuania in the west, and Latvia in the northwest. The country is fed enough water for farming, industry and population consumption by multiple rivers across Belarus. The land in Belarus is flat, with no mountains or plateaus, although a large number of swamps are present in the forest-covered countries. Number 4. Kazakhstan. An Asian republic that is wealthy in heritage and represents a coherent culture and national uniqueness, with nationalism as an apocalyptic and Russian nationalism and the Islamic religion as the main faith. And Kazakhstan is the biggest Islamic country, known as the country with 7,000 lakelands and rich Islamic monuments. It is made up of several groups of ethnicity like Russians, Uyghurs, Germans, Kazakhs, Uzbeks, Ukrainian and Tatars, and the majority condemns the Muslim faith, as well as the minorities adhering to the Christian, Jewish and Buddhist religion. Among the people in Kazakhstan, one of the most famous drinks have been fermented horses milk. The sport of the buzkashi is very strange, and it is that a horse race for horses is to catch dead goats, and anyone who catches a goat receives a reward for catch. Number 5. Bhutan. The people of this country do not know grief. The people of this country, known as the full of joy and grief, considered among the happiest people in the world, and the country of Bhutan is known as the considered to be the land of the dragons and thunders. The population of this country is 750,000 people. The country has taken an innovative approach with regard to the overall religion happiness, similar to the gross domestic product, since the government policy relied on measures of national happiness by providing its people with services that provide them with security and happiness through the excellent level of their health, training and land preservation. In all this, the strangest part is that you always think of death. The people of Bhutan think of at least 5 minutes a day as they feel the fear of the death. The fear of the death makes their people or worry the individual to achieve his or her dreams, safety, or watching children flourish. So you can find the Bhutan people among the happiest people on the earth. It is worth mentioning that Bhutan is this small nation and is one of the cleanliest countries on the earth and has no more than 200 vehicles with countless waterfalls and rivers. And it is odd that government prevented the country into the country of the TV settings, the internet and phones until 1999 to prevent the cultural identity from external influences. Number 6. Czech Republic. In Central Europe, the Czech Republic is a free-range country. The country borders northeast Poland, western Germany, South Austria, and eastward Slovakia. Since 1999, the Czech Republic has become a NATO member and since the 2004 EU member. In the other world kingdom, the Czech Republic is among the most unusual states. Founded on 1st June 1996, women rule over men in this strange matriarchal nation. OWK is ruled by Her Royal Majesty Queen Patricia I, whose hierarchy includes sublime ladies and lady citizens who belongs to the nobility of the nation. As a slave, every woman owns a man. Underneath these noble hierarchy, women are men who respect the rules of the queen and pay the tax, yet enjoy the freedom of a certain degree. Slave males with no laws rights seems to be the lowest in hierarchy and are regarded as livestock. Some say that the OWK is just a resort rather than a country, but it has its own monetary system, currency, citizenship, passport, armed force, flag, and national anthem. That's all for today's video. Subscribe to The Travel Chase. If you haven't done yet, do give a like to the video. We will be back with more videos. Stay tuned.